Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you a video projector. It's the COOLUX S3 Android video. Now I'll just show you the actual hardware itself before we talk about more specs. So it's rather large. I mean, this is my hand right here, so you need to have like some support to put it in your house. You have the lens right here, the projecting lens, the branding here. You have built-in speakers inside, so the sound will come out through there. But if you want to connect your own sound system as well, you can connect here in the back. There's several ports, and one of them is the 3.5mm port for headphones as well, but also for a sound system if it's compatible. Speaking of the ports, we have two HDMI ports right here on top, the DC port here for the energy supply, two USB ports, AV port here, and the LAN Ethernet port right here, and that's pretty much it. Then you have the fans inside for cooling and all that. Still in the front, you have a slider here in the bottom that you can slide left and right, well, and you should, to open the projector so the lens can actually project the picture that you want to project. So about the specs inside, I already mentioned Android, 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage. Also for the actual lens, for the lamp, that's 1500 lumens, that's the brightness. Also for the contrast, it's 1500 to 1, so to have all those nice blacks and whites for your picture or from whatever display you're using. Also native resolution, it's 1280 by 800, but it supports 4K and HD as well, and also 3D, supports 3D video if you want to dwell on that. Finally, and maybe the most important thing about, since this is a video projector and you will buy it probably because you want a big screen in your home so you can watch your movies or play your games or whatever, you can really have a huge display in your house, like a home theater pretty much. Anyway, for more specs and details, check below for the link. We have the pricing and everything you need to know about this amazing video projector. It's the COOLUX S3. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.